Hello my friends, so today's video is very exciting for me because I am doing my first review slash unboxing video. I've been approached by a company called BeeBeeCraft and they kindly sent me some freebies of my choice. I guess I must be a real YouTuber now, receiving freebies. Of course, I'm gonna leave a link for BeeBeeCraft in the description box, so if you want, go and check them out. And now, let's open the parcel! So this is the parcel. It arrived yesterday and today I'm gonna open it. There's a little fluff flying around. I also made an effort to remove all the labels because, well, I didn't want to show my address to the whole world, which is hopefully understandable. Let's get some scissors and open the parcel. I'm really excited actually. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, do it, do it. So the first thing I'm unwrapping are these metal cutters, great for cutting hard wires and metal sheets. There is this safety lock, which is a great feature, and they are $7.99. And I must say I'm quite excited about these shears because last time when I was doing the eBay haul, I bought shears and they have like little teeth, so they make the metal all kind of like bumpy. Can you see? Let me show you. So I'm gonna test them and I'm gonna cut a piece of brass sheet. This is 0.3 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just gonna see if it cuts through. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? Yes! Yes, it did! Right, so this is 0.3 millimeters. Let's see if it can cut through something a little bit thicker. Now we've got some copper sheet and this one is 0.5 millimeters. And let's see if they can cut through. Yes! Yes, they can. Now this one is probably going to be a little bit of a push. And I hope I'm not going to make them blunt. It's cutting through. Alright, they passed the test. I'm happy. Next we have these gemstone cabochons. They come in a handy little box, which I'm sure I will repurpose for something after I've used all these gemstones. And there are 20 cabochons in total. Each of them is 16 millimeters in diameter and approximately 6 millimeters tall. I can definitely recognize maybe half of these gemstones, but not all. So if you are a gemstone expert, please feel free to educate me. And I've noticed there were some stones that were chipped a bit. I think it was probably because of their journey from China to the United Kingdom, which is a shame, especially this amethyst, since I really like amethyst a lot. So not ideal, I guess. But I must say the price for this whole set was very reasonable, $13.50. So that's like 68 cents per stone. And I think that's a bargain. Oh, and I've noticed this black gemstone, is it black onyx, was a lot taller than all the other cabochons, which was odd, but it's not an issue, just sharing my observations. So, what are my honest thoughts on these? Well, I really like them. I really like the colors, I like the cut, I like how smooth they are. They are really quite perfect cabochons. Of course, it would have been nice if none of them were chipped, but fortunately only one of them was chipped a tiny bit on the top and then about 2 of them were chipped a little bit on the bottom, which is something I really don't mind because they will be covered in a bezel. And yes, that video is coming up soon. And you know what would be really nice? If there was like a tiny little poster included with the pictures of the stones and names next to them, because, well, I'm only just starting to learn about gemstones and I can recognize some of them, but I have no idea what the other ones are. So I like the look of them, I just don't know the name. So BeeBeeCraft, if you want to do that, or Panda Haul, you can take my idea for free. Ooh, what's in this? Shall we have a look? Shall we? You probably guessed anyway. It's a beautiful set of metal stamps for stamping metal. That's exactly what it is. I'm very impressed with these. I have to say, the box is handy and it looks so nice, and the whole set seems like a great quality. There are 36 stamps in this set and each stamp is made out of electroplated hard carbon steel. No idea what that is, but I'm sure it's something important. But in other words, you could probably just say that this metal is hard enough to stamp other metal. Leather and wood. There, my kind of education. Anyway, there are some numbers as well as alphabet letters, and each one is approximately 3 millimeters tall. I mean the actual impression, not the whole stamp of course, but the whole stamp feels really nice, smooth and sturdy, and the best feature, it's shiny. Na 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 na. Another feature must be this magnetic lock. What a great idea! Oh, and this set was $33, so a fair price I think. One last look at this beautiful wooden box and on to the next item. And of course, because I'm obsessed with diamonds, I had to order one of the stamps with a diamond. So I can stamp diamonds everywhere. This stamp will surely become my favorite. It looks good, it's a lot wider than the other ones in the set, but I think it must be because of the size of the diamond design, which is 5 by 5 millimeters, and it can be used for stamping metal, wood, leather. It's $5.99 and it will live with its new friends in a wooden box with magnetic closure. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much BeeBeeCraft for sending me all these beautiful goodies. I am ever so grateful for your kindness. And I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to check out BeeBeeCraft, they will be linked in the description box below. And I just can't wait to use these items and make some jewelry. So next week there will be a tutorial. Okay, so like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I love you all. See you next week. Bye! So, do you like my new backdrop? It's not new. But I don't think you've ever seen it. I wanted to make more effort, so there you go. But I didn't want to make too much effort, so I didn't iron it. So you can see those creases. Yeah. I didn't want you to think that I'm in a castle or something, so I just left the creases there. No, I might get rid of them next time. Bye. Bye from Princess Helena. I'm going back to my castle.